space horizon past every star. Dust in the breeze, road unwinds, leaving the world and its ties behind. Lost in motion, we slip and glide. Each turn unfolds a painted sky. Feel the pulse, the groove, the beat. With every mile, our hearts repeat. Oh, miles and miles we're flying free, where colors blend and dreams can be. Round and round the wheels hum low. In this vibrant world we flow. Fields of gold and rivers wide, nature's rhythm our only guide. Tunes drift up, soft and clear, echoes of laughter everywhere. Dust settles down, stars ignite, we're just specks in endless light. Feel the magic as we roam, this wandering heart finds home. Oh, miles and miles